Hi, I'm Angelo Seminara and I'm a hairstylist. Today I'm going to introduce you to something really new, something that I've never seen before. So what we have here is the new iFlex Smart Hairdryer. This app connects to your phone and you can memorize your hair sensitivities, hair type, and you can have different profiles for each member of the family. It's something that you can easily do at home. It's set up automatically, speed, heat and iron. This really allows you to look after your hair in the best possible way, taking care of the hair, taking care of the quality of the hair without any damage.